Let's go! We're going to put the butter in the pan over low heat. Then we add onions and mushrooms, which we cook over low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the sugar and still over low heat, let it cook for a few minutes until the onion and mushroom takes a slightly caramelized color. Then add the rice and mix. Add ginger powder. Salt, bay leaf, cold water, and liquid fresh cream. We bring to the boil over very low heat. When the water is almost completely evaporated, we stop the fire completely and cover thickly for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we discover and the rice is normally inflated and cooked perfectly. If there is a little water left, just finish evaporating it on the heat for a few seconds. Here are my friends, I hope you will enjoy this rice and see you very soon for a new video. Hasta la vista, my friends.